Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming nothing is live with a voltage tester. This protects you. Once the power is off, remove the cover plate screws and set them aside so small parts don't disappear. Next, pull the switch face gently. If the button is pushed in, you'll inspect the actuator and spring area. Make sure to work in good light and use a flashlight. This saves time and prevents accidental damage to the wall or wiring. Once the face is exposed, examine the rocker and housing. Look for broken clips or debris that holds the button pushed. If you see dirt or a paint buildup, carefully pry with a thin flathead or use needle nose pliers to clear it. Do not yank the mechanism. If the rocker is loose, align the plastic actuator on the switch stem and reseat the spring if present. Gradually test movement by hand. Smooth motion means you're ready to reassemble. If not, continue troubleshooting. After aligning and freeing the rocker, reattach the switch face and replace the cover plate, tightening screws until snug. Over-tightening can warp the housing. Restore power at the breaker and test the switch through full cycles 2 to 3 times to confirm reliable action. If the button still sticks or you hear arcing, stop and cut power again. In that case, replace the switch module or call a licensed electrician. Safety matters. Quick troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, check for loose.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.